Time to wake up the girls.
Wow.
How do you call?
Are you calling them right now?
Check the radar. Look at that. We're right in it. We're gonna go outside again and make a snowman.
Why are you going outside?
Because we're gonna go around to our friend.
Oh my gosh, let's go back inside.
Oh my gosh, it's floating away. Okay, they said we had breakfast, but like in bags and stuff. So I'm probably gonna go get that at some point. We're opening our gifts. Breakfast. We have an apple, a yogurt, my favorite. Isn't this the orange juice they give you at like mental hospitals? And then we have a muffin. That is so much snow. Oh.
4 Texans.
Oh my gosh. No, it's coming down so fast. It tastes like toothpaste. We're going to a coffee shop. My little dude in the back.
I don't think my windshield wipers even move.
What?
This is for coffee. This better be coffee.
Wow, it was literally 70 degrees yesterday. Tastes like coffee.
It's real.
Thank you. Oh wow. Oh crap. I feel like that lady was very annoyed with me, but she was like trying to be nice about it. Quit doing that! Why? Stop! It's dumping snow. I have my Mega Mind hat. How much snow is out there, do you think? I'm gonna go outside. Update on the snow. Person doesn't mind. Please do keep in mind that this is only the 4th time I've ever seen snow, so. Oh, that's thick. I think it's legitimately snowing snowflakes now. The one sad part is it's supposed to get above freezing later in the day, but look. Look at that. Round 2. No, that's not cold, that's just a rock. This is the first snowman I've ever made on my own. Should I kill him? finally stopped snowing and been to sleep, so I don't want to like say anything too loud. But it's so pretty outside. I'm gonna show you what it looks like right now. Okay, so these next couple of clips are actually around 5 o'clock in the evening, or afternoon, however you want to say it. So it's around 4 hours later. That is why the snow is melted. Almost melted. It kind of just turned into a slosh, like a slushy. Welcome to Sloshland. I legitimately did nothing in between 1 o'clock and 5 o'clock besides make a sandwich. Anyway.
New recipe. Coffee, plain snow.
Dinner time. Also, the snow is like almost melted. If it's a brown slushy. We're going to go eat at Coyote. What did it say?
Coyote? Coyote burger.
It was on fire.
And then we have chili cheese fries.
Wow. Let's try it.
It's just falling apart.
Okay, so you can just let go.
One, go. Ready, sister. Bam. Ready when I fit that one.
Okay, we're going to Cadillac Ranch as a random trip. It's random, so it's not going to be a lot of clips, but whatever.